Students, in math second topic number 6 circle, we had started the topic 6 circle. In that we had learned the basic concept about the circle, and also in last video we had seen two theorems on the circle. What are the theorems? Recall first that theorems. First theorem is a perpendicular drawn from center of a circle to its chord bisect the chord. Perpendicular drawn from center to the chord of the circle bisect the chord. And second theorem we had learned, we had proved is the segment joining center of circle to midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. The segment joining center to midpoint of chord is perpendicular to the chord. Means here it is perpendicular, we had proved bisect, and here bisect is given, we had proved it is perpendicular. Okay, these two proofs are we see in the last video. Now we will see example on these two theorems. That is, we see some examples in practice set 6.1. Not all. We take some examples in practice set 6.1. So start first example. Distance of chord AB from the center of the circle is 8 cm. Length of chord is 12 cm. Find diameter. Find diameter of the circle. See what is given. The given part you express in terms of figure. हा दिलेला पार्ट आपण फिगर मध्ये सर्कल मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करूया. सर्कल दिलाय त्यामुळे आपण एक सर्कल काढून घेऊया. त्या सर्कल मध्ये काय काय दिले बघ आपल्याला. डिस्टन्स ऑफ chord AB from the center of the circle. सेंटरला नाव देऊया आपण O. त्यात chord म्हणले chord काढून घेऊया. What is the chord name? AB. Okay, AB is given here. Chord AB from the center of the circle. काय दिले बघा. डिस्टन्स ऑफ chord AB from center of the circle. म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला लाईन जॉईन करायला आहे. हे डिस्टन्स दिले ना नाव देऊया आपण C. हे डिस्टन्स आपल्याला किती दिले. 8 cm. This distance is 8 cm. Distance of chord from center of the circle. This distance is given 8 cm. Okay. And what is given? Length of chord AB. This AB chord length is given. What is this length? 12 cm. Okay. And we have to find diameter. So first we find the radius. Diameter काढायचं म्हणजे आपल्याला radius काढता येईल, आणि radius वरून आपण काय करू शकतोय. Diameter काढू शकतो. म्हणजे first we find the radius. So we know a perpendicular drawn from center to a chord bisect the chord. We know the property first, theorem first. So here what are the given things? In figure, what are the given things? Write down first. OC, length OC is equal to 8 cm, and length AB is equal to 12 cm, and OC, segment OC is perpendicular to chord AB. Okay, these things are the given. Now we know what is the statement. A perpendicular drawn from center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. See, a perpendicular drawn from center to a chord bisect the chord. Therefore, what is the length of chord AB here? 12. So it becomes हाफ ऑफ 12 मीन्स 6 बायसेक्टर म्हणजे दोन समान भाग होतात म्हणजे किती होणार आहे 6 होणार आहे का therefore length AC is equal to length CB is equal to half length AB. Therefore, length AC is equal to length CB. What is the value of AB here? 12. Half into 12. Therefore, length AC is equal to length CB is 6 centimeter. Value of AC and CB is 6. It only given 6. Okay. Now we have to find diameter means we have to find first radius. See in this figure triangle in triangle OAC. OA is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. Now in triangle, which triangle? OCA. Angle OCA is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. So here hypotenuse is OA. Length OA square is equal to length OC square plus length AC square plus length AC square. OA we have to find. Okay, OC is 8 square plus AC is we have to find 6 square. 64 plus 36 that is 100. Length OA square is equal to 100. Taking square root on both sides. Therefore length OA becomes root 100 means 10 centimeter. Length of OA is 10 centimeter. OA becomes 10 centimeter. But we have to find diameter. So diameter is, therefore diameter of a circle is equal to 2 times radius means 2 into what is the radius here? OA. Length of OA. 2 into length of OA is 10. Therefore diameter is 20 centimeter. Okay. Here we use the theorems to theorem statement. First perpendicular drawn, then bisect, and if the midpoint is joining, then it is perpendicular. Okay, understand first? See the third example. Radius of a circle is 34 centimeter and distance of chord from the center is 30 centimeter. Radius is 34 and distance of chord from center is 30. Find the length of the chord. So draw here a rough figure first. Rough figure draw करायची आहे. Center घेतला आपण. Chord's name घेऊया AB. It is perpendicular. Point C. Take center O, chord AB. What are the given points? Note down here. Radius is 34. So join one radius here. It is 34 centimeter. And what is given? Distance of chord from center. This distance is given 30 centimeter. And we have to find length of chord. Chord's length काढायचे म्हणजे काय पहिला AC काढायला लागेल आपल्याला. आणि AC चे चॉईस केले तर काय मिळणार आहे? लेंथ ऑफ chord मिळणार. Same procedure. Okay. First given things. What are the given things? See here. Length OA is equal to 34 centimeter and length OC is equal to 30 centimeter, and we have to find length AB. We have to find the length of the chord. See in the triangle this in triangle OCA, angle OCA is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? OA square is equal to OC square plus CA square. Length OA square is equal to length OC square plus length CA square. What is the length OA? 34 square is equal to length OC 30 square plus length CA square. 34 square. तुम्हाला आयडिया सांगितली होती कसं काढायचं. फोर्थ स्क्वेअर करायचा. फोर्थ स्क्वेअर 16 कॅरी 1. 4 3 जा 12. 12 2 जा 24. 24 plus 1 25. कॅरी 2. 3 3 जा 9. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 11. Okay. 30 square 900 plus length CA square. So we have to find CA. Therefore length CA square as it is 1156 minus 900. Length CA square is equal to 6 5 11 minus 9 2. Therefore length AC square is equal to 256. Taking square root on both sides, we get length AC is equal to square root of 256, 16 centimeter. Length AC is 16 centimeter. AC किती मिळाला हा 16. पण आपल्याला AB विचारले ना, कॉर्ड विचारले. Therefore length AB is equal to twice into length AC. 2 into 16 is equal to 32 centimeter. Length AB is 32 centimeter. Therefore length of chord is equal to length of chord becomes 32 centimeter. Okay, लक्षात आलं का? यामध्ये काय विचारतील? पहिले 4 एक्झाम्पल असेल. एक तर तुम्हाला रेडियस देतील आणि परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स देतील आणि कॉर्ड काढा म्हणतील, किंवा कॉर्ड देतील, रेडियस देतील, ते डिस्टन्स परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स विचारतील, किंवा परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स आणि कॉर्ड देतील, रेडियस विचारतील. सगळ्यामध्ये ह्या पद्धतीने जायचं आहे आपल्याला. लक्षात पहिल्या 4 एक्झाम्पल मध्ये असंच आहे, म्हणजे ते 2 घेतलेले तिथं. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. In figure, center of 2 circles is O. This is the circle and there are 2 circles and their center is here O. If these are which type of circles? We had seen types of the circles. Concentric circles. We call it as concentric circles. त्याचा केंद्र काय असतो? एकच असतो. त्यानंतर concentric circle. So here radius are different but center is same. Okay. Chord AB of bigger circle intersect the smaller circle at point P and Q. Bigger circle चा chord कोणता आहे बघा? AB आहे आणि smaller circle चा chord कोणता आहे? PQ. Okay. Intersect at point P and Q. Then show that AP is equal to PQ. We have to prove that. How to prove it? We know the statement of 2 theorems only. So from this, here we construct perpendicular on this chord. Okay. So in the answer, first we draw. Here name this as C. Draw segment OC perpendicular to chord AB or PQ. Okay. मग आपण परपेंडिक्युलर ड्रॉ का केलं लक्षात आलं बघा. परपेंडिक्युलर ड्रॉ केल्यानंतर काय होईल? हे दोन काय होणार आहेत? बायसेक्ट होणार का? होणार का? आणि पुन्हा OQ इज परपेंडिक्युलर टू AB असेल तर AC आणि CB पण काय होणार आहे? सेम होणार आहे. ओके. आपण परपेंडिक्युलर ड्रॉ का केले कळलं का? कारण स्टेटमेंट आपल्याला माहिती आहे. A perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. त्यामुळे परपेंडिक्युलर ड्रॉ केला तर तो chordला काय करणार आहे? बायसेक्ट करणार आहे. कॉर्डचे दोन इक्वल पार्ट्स करणार आहे. सो हियर वी यूज द theorem. What is the theorem? A perpendicular. What is the theorem? A perpendicular drawn from center of a circle on the chord, on its chord, bisect the chord. Bisect the chord. So here OC is perpendicular to PQ. Okay? OC is perpendicular to PQ or not?
Yes.
OC is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, PC is equal to CQ. Also, OC is perpendicular to AB. OC हे काय आहे? कॉर्ड AB ला पण परपेंडिक्युलर आहे का? आहे का? Therefore, in bisect the chord means AC is equal to CB. Okay? Therefore, AC is equal to CB. Understand up to this? First, we draw the perpendicular. It is OC is perpendicular to chord PQ. Therefore, it bisect means PC is equal to CQ. Also, OC is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, AC is equal to CP. Okay. Now, what is meant by AC? AC means AP plus PC. AC means AP plus PC. And what is meant by CB? CQ plus QB. CQ plus QB. Like equation number 1. We call it as equation 1. Now observe equation 1 and this equation. PC and CQ are same. Where is PQ, PC and CQ? आहे का दोन्ही मध्ये? हे दोन्ही सेम आहेत. मग कॅन्सल होतील का? दोघांची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? सेम आहे. Therefore it get cancelled. Therefore it remains AP is equal to QB. Why we write this from equation 1? इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये आपण काय लिहिलंय? PC आणि CQ काय आहेत? सेम आहेत. त्यामुळे ते कॅन्सल होणार आहे. म्हणजे काय मिळालं आपल्याला? AP is equal to QB. म्हणजे ते आपल्याला पाहिजे काय? That is AP is equal to BQ. आणि तेच आपल्याला पाहिजे. ते सगळं प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं का? So we proved AP is equal to BQ. Means in that example we use the theorem 2 times. For this perpendicular bisect and for largest chord. मोठ्या chord साठी आणि लहान chord साठी आपण दोनदा हे theorem वापरलेला आहे आणि सोडवलेला आहे. आलं लक्षात? See the last question in the practice 6.1. Prove that if the diameter of a circle bisect two chords of the circle, then those two chords are parallel to each other. Statement चा अर्थ काय आहे बघा? काय अर्थ? If diameter of a circle, here diameter I had drawn here, suppose diameter is PQ. It is diameter or not? It passes through center, therefore it is diameter. Here in figure diameter is PQ. And what are the chords here? AB and CD. Bisect two chords. Diameter काय करते? दोन chord ला यहाँ bisect करते क्या? Equal parts करते? Therefore, then we have to prove these two chords are parallel. Means AB is parallel to CD. We have to prove. Okay. So what are the given parts here? What is given here? Which things are given here? In a circle with center O. In a circle with center O. What is the diameter here? PQ. Segment PQ is diameter. Okay. And here to R and S name. Okay, and what is the given? AR is equal to RB and CS is equal to SB. Okay, and we have to prove. What we have to prove here? Chord AB is parallel to which chord? Chord CD. We have to prove chord AB is parallel to chord CD. Okay, understand what is given and what we have to prove. Now we use the statement. Two theorems. दोन theorem पे क्या दूसरा theorem समझ लिया? A line segment joining midpoint of the chord and circle is perpendicular to the chord. Here it is also perpendicular. What is the statement? In the proof. See in the proof. We know that what is the property? We know the property. What is the property we know? A line segment joining center of a circle to midpoint of chord is perpendicular to the chord. Okay, it is perpendicular to the chord. So here in this figure, see, it is line segment joining midpoints. So it is perpendicular to the chord. So it is perpendicular means OS. Segment OS is perpendicular to chord CD and segment OR is perpendicular to chord AB. Okay. See, OS is perpendicular to CD and OR is perpendicular to AB. Okay. So these are the right angles. Here interior angles are supplementary or you take alternate angle. Okay. Understand? Now AB line RS is transversal of AB and CD. Okay. Segment RS is transversal of AB and CD. Therefore, these two angles are congruent here. 90-90. Interior angle क्या किंवा alternate angle क्या? कुठलं पण एक चालते हां कुठलं घेऊया? Interior angles are supplementary. Therefore, these lines are parallel. or alternate angle are congruent. Alternate angle है की angle, which angle? ARO. Angle ARO congruent angle OSB because each 90 degree. And these are the alternate angles. So therefore chord AB is parallel to chord CD because alternate angle test. Okay, we use here alternate angle test or interior angle test. पॅरल दाखवायचं म्हणलं की अल्टरनेट अँगल, इंटिरियर अँगल टेस्ट आणि करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल टेस्ट लक्षात ठेवायची म्हणजे आपल्याला पॅरल दाखवता येतो. ओके, सो स्टुडंट वी हॅड कंप्लीटेड द प्रॅक्टिस सेट 6.1. Your today's homework is solve practice set 6.1.